Jacinta, you are a very hearted girl.
But it's true. Madness runs in your family. Else, tell me how a lecturer will just wake up one morning and runs mad in the middle of the class. Well, thank God, I'm relieved. He's off my back.
I concur with you, he's off your back. But that of madness, I'm not in support of.
Please, I want to go for lunch. Are you coming with me?
Why would you do a thing like that? We can prepare something in the house.
My dear, I don't have that patience right now. So if you want to go with me, get up. Let me spoil it today. Let's go, I want to spoil you. Built on me. Okay.
Alright. My bag.
Angel, aren't you happy seeing me?
And what should I be happy about?
Jacinta, can you stop the arrogance? Come on, stop it!
Angel, why all this attitude? Why?
Okay. I'm happy to see you. Are you happy now? Are you happy? Please, we're actually on our way for lunch before you interrupted us.
Alright, I'm going with you guys.
No, it's just that I didn't want you to be caught unaware.
No problem, let's go.
And then let's go.
Let's go.
Who did this? As if you don't know. Who else? This is beautiful. I like the color. You give me this one. Oh, beautiful. Hey. He got me this book. I have combed every nook and cranny for this book. I couldn't find it. Oh, I got it for me. Wow. Wait, Lizzie. You mean of all these things that your boyfriend bought for you, the only thing that excites you, it's a mere book? Please, let me check these things out. Ha! Lizzie, you are lucky, oh. Hey! One like me. Eh?
Don't even start now, Jacinta. Don't start. How can your boyfriend buy you gifts when all you do is embarrass him in public?
My sister, don't even go there. That guy is so stingy.
All men are not the same. Mike has his own flaws too.
Prince Mike? My sister, I can tolerate any form of weakness from a king to be. Besides, Mike is a perfect guy. Yes.
It's obvious I cannot convince you. Anyway, just go through and some things and then leave the rest to me. No, not this one. I love it already.
And you can take that one. I like this one. What's this red thing in here? Let me see. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Hey, Lizzie, you're so lucky. Hey!
That's pure gold.
It's so beautiful.
Jacinta, on the real, you need to change your mentality about Ken. We know that he does not have fun, but come on, girl. That guy has a good heart. He's a good person. And I strongly believe that things will turn around for good for him.
Madam Preacher, I've heard you. Thank you for your advice.
That's what you like.
For now, let me take this gown.
Hey, 'cause I'm in the mood. 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 '
Hey, Luchy. Excuse me. How you doing? You look so beautiful. Uh, are you a student of this campus?
Yes, of course.
Then how come I don't know you? Okay, do you know me?
Yes, of course. Who doesn't know Johnny Walker in this campus?
Oh, Katobu. Yeah, I am the Johnny Walker, king of the campus. That's who I am. So tell me, where are you heading to?
I'm going to see my friend.
Your friend. You know what, babe? You see, that friend can wait. Yeah. I want you to join Johnny Walker to have some fun. Like, let's go on Buga. You understand?
I really need to go. Someone's waiting for me.
Hey, come on. That friend of yours can wait. This is Johnny Walker talking to you. I thought you said you know Johnny Walker. Who doesn't know me? So why you not doing as if you don't want to chill with the big ball? Hey, listen, you know what? I'll make you happy. Let's go dance to the latest. Buga. Hey, come on, give me that smile. I know it's all over there. Huh? Let's hang out. Hey. Come. Let that friend wait, okay?
Honey, what I asked you was just a book.
Anything goes, okay? Just want to let you know that I love you. I love you so much. I even love you more than I ever thought I could. And I'm ready to give you anything as long as I'm alive.
Anything.
Anything. The reasonable and realistic ones. You're just so adorable. Don't you think so? So, how is Jacinta?
Jacinta. Jacinta will never stop reminding me that you are a prince.
What is it? What is it?
Alright, okay. Truto, give me a little time. Give me just little time. I'll come up with something. Please. Biko, I'm begging you. Biko, please. Oh, Biko.
Ken, I am writing my project and the school authorities did not give me time.
Alright. Just give me 2 days. Just 2 days. I will hustle. You know me now. I can hustle. I will hustle the money for you. Please, I will do it for you. Please. Just give me 2 days. I'm asking for just 2 days. Please. Please, I'm begging you, please.
Hi. Ken, you are so pathetic. Oh. How did I even say yes to you in the first place? So ordinary 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira is taking you a whole month to provide. Ken!
Jacinta, you know it's because of my mom's sickness now. It's because of my mom's health.
If you like, let your mom die or your sister in coma. I don't care. Leave me alone. You're so broke.
Jacinta,
I don't want to be dating a
my
broke
mom
guy.
died. Jacinta, you're not even concerned about my mother. You're not even concerned about my mother, Jacinta. Jacinta only one can go. Hello, Flora. Where are you? Hey. I don't like this. Come on. Why will you be keeping big boy like me waiting? Or have you forgotten my name? I am Johnny Walker, the king of the campus. Come on now. You don't keep big boy like me waiting. I've been here for the past 2 hours waiting for you. Again. Huh? You're on your way. Please go. Just stay now, okay?
Jacinta, can you stop pacing around?
But why is my case different? Why do I only attract poor and stingy men? Why?
Why would you say a thing like that?
Just imagine, I need 5,000 naira to complete my project. And Ken has been giving me all the excuses in the world just to give me 5,000 naira.
Jacinta, but you and I know he does not have.
I don't want a man who does not have now. I want a man that can take care of me. If I had known, I would have said yes to Mike's friend.
Yeah?
Yes!
No, don't even say that too. Don't even go there. Don't. Listen, men like Ken and Mike are ready to come by. For God's sake, I want you to open your eyes. Don't just judge by the present. Do you know if Mike was to be in Ken's shoes, I would stay with him because...
That's a lie! That's a lie and you know it. You don't know how it feels. All you do is sit here and render advices. If Mike wasn't a prince, if he didn't have all the money he has now, if he wasn't taking care of you and your family, I believe you wouldn't even look at him twice. So don't sit here and give me that advice of patience and endurance.
That's 5,000 naira for your project. All I know is that a word is enough twice.
Lizzie. Ejiro, what are you doing here with these two big bags?
Sure. I wish can't question be that one. Hey, since you know if you understand though, it's shock for worry. Worry shock. Everywhere they hear A0 for up, A0 for down, A0 for center, A0 for middle. Now I carry my bag, say make I go try this side though. I don't show.
So,
sis, I wish I could be so for inside. You know they use so till they sing. I don't come beside that corner. I want the base for this side. Now yeah, I want to stay. Now but where my sister dey?
Ejiro, being tired of worry does not explain why you are carrying these two big bags. Wait. Don't tell me you plan on staying here forever.
Sister, I don't understand you. I dey show you for that. You dey show me another thing. I don't cost stable that now. Yeah, the bag too much. You don't even reach sef. You don't say for worry. Gbogbo with the bag, gbogbo in the ship where. You know be like this. And maybe when they wear original clothes. Cloth full. My cloth for worry pass like this. Now someone I just carry come.
Ejiro, but this room is small now. How can we stay here with you?
Okay, Neme. Sister, please say you want confuse me. Oh. This mighty room. This room where they go like this, that they say it's too small. I saw you big. You go cut it. No worry. Our house for worry. If you see, it's small like this. With the people they 10 of us will split for the tea. You go see cut it. This room where large like this, they say small. You not small. You go cut it. I go there here. Sister go there here. You self go there here. We go. You ever carry 10 people safe? Sister, no cool bag for this. I won't get there.
You know, the reason why all girls on this campus want to know me is because I am the king of the campus. That is it. You always want to be around with me because I am Johnny Walker. I make things happen. I make people enjoy themselves. Just like the other day I met you, I said, hey baby, roll with me. Come and chill with the big boy. Come and roll with Johnny Walker. And that day I make you smile, isn't it? I can see it. Hope you told your friend what happened that very day that I showered you with some blessings.
I didn't.
Oh, you see? What a bad friend you have. She don't want you to enjoy from her fault. Hell, she's a bad person.
Wow.
But you know what, Ababe? Enjoy yourself. Anything you want, just tell me. I can tell them to order for you. Anything. Mixed pepper soup, turkey, anything. But, hey, you see your friend here? She's beautiful.
You can say that again.
I can see that again. Are you sure it's from you?
I don't know.
You're beautiful.
That one. It's okay now. What's that one?
Hey, come on.
You
I'm
don't
just...
over-touch her now. Can't you talk? Must you touch her?
Just touch it. Come on.
So just walk.
Just trying to touch. Oh, you can even say she's enjoying my hand. Soft hand. Hey, let's drink, man. Mamanda! Can I my own now? Baby, people should enjoy. They are bringing more drinks, okay?
That should be fast.
Yeah. I want them to enjoy themselves. Hey, if I count your love price called, don't know. Oh, give me chicken, baby. Hey, my take at you. Hey, not sure. Baby, please open it. Get me open now. Open. I said 3, but we are 3 here now. Why you bring it 2? We are 3 here.
Please be fast.
So what's up? What's happening? Baby. Hey, oh, get there. Hey, who's your boyfriend? I'm going to swag. It's not Nigeria. It don't leave you. He's enjoying his life with all those fucking white women over there. But you know what? You need people like us who are Johnny Walker, who can walk you to the bed.
Ejiro, wake up! Wake up!
Sis, you don't come back.
What are you doing here?
Sis, which one be what I do here? Me never come greet my sister again. I can't greet you, sister. Worry choco. I see I come decide whether I go fit see from man still hustle for this side.
That's a lie from the pit of hell. Who did you leave Mama for?
Sister. If you don't worry now.
Can you hear yourself speak? You left Mama with Effie, who cannot even boil ordinary hot water. Ejiro, first thing tomorrow morning you're going back to see Mama.
Okay, let me. Sis, maybe they go back worry. I no fit to. I no fit try am. I no fit. I no dey go back worry. I don't come beside. I don't come. I want day here so. Why they hustle? I want to see front with you. Sure? Maybe they go back worry. You plan me. I don't fit go worry. Hey, let me finish. I don't go. Me don't move. I don't move. I deal with you.
Jacinta could not come to tell me you are here.
That one I own. Sister, what do you call break corner? And they look me like that. I don't come. Besides, I don't come. And you go come tell me now say how they play for the township life. It's not break corner. You don't buy anything come. You don't buy anything.
With the swag. I am the holy Johnny Walker, man.
Right.
Come on. King of the road.
King of enjoyment.
Oh, you can say that again. But who knows me more than you? So what's up? What are you heading to?
I'm actually going to see my projects for myself.
Hey, come on. That can wait. That can wait, babe. Say, allow Johnny Walker here to give you a treat. Come on, baby. You know I've always wanted you. Just allow me to have this thing and I will make you the queen of enjoyment.
You know you are Ken's friend.
I know you always go there. We're just friends, come on. Yeah? It doesn't really matter. What matters is that I want to make you the queen of enjoyment. Come on. A harmless treat. That's what I want to get to do. Just fun.
Okay, I'll go with you.
Oh, you go with me. Hey, in the shop. Okay now.
Johnny!
See, I'm just going to let you stay for 1 week. You should understand I'm still a student. I'm still in school.
Sis, me I know say you dey school normally now. I know now. Even this your house sef, it go contain me. Why you couldn't want make I dey go back to worry? I no wan go back worry oh. I wan deal with you.
It's not like I'm chasing you out of my house. Eh? I can't chase you out. You're my sister. Moreover, I'm not happy about the way you speak, ain't you? But you need to learn how to speak fluently. I know it's not your fault, but you can learn.
Hi, girls.
Please, welcome.
What's going on? Okay.
Why the excitement?
In here, I have clothes, shoes, and a sum of 100,000 naira given to me by, anyways, a friend. Ejiro, this is for you. Lizzie, you can take whatever thing you want, then give me the rest.
Sis, you buy me these things?
Yes, now.
Who is this guy that is spoiling you this way?
For now, he's a nobody. Maybe with time, I'll make him a part of my life.
Well, 100k my ID.
Right?
I want my share.
Normally.
Hello, girl.
I said it was you. Hey, baby, how are you?
Hi,
Prince Mike, is this really you?
flesh and blood.
I want to say thank you very much for everything you did to my friend. You're such a good man. Oh. My friend is so lucky to have you.
Oh, please, come on. You should be the one lucky to have me.
Right?
You're welcome. I was going for lunch, so I hope you don't mind joining me.
Babe, I'd love to, but we're trying to finish up our project assignment and we're really sussing the internet for some things, and also our classmates trying to see if they can help us.
I
Please,
presume.
let's join him. We can do that some other time. Let's join him.
I presume this is what you're looking for. Hmm?
Mike, thank you. What can I do without you?
Now, do you see why I said you're lucky to have me?
So, can I have the two beautiful girls join me for lunch?
Sure. Yes.
What do you want me to say?
Sis,
I'm very busy now.
you walk on the table, so you're not talking.
Jacinta, why are you crying?
Ken, it will never be well with you, Ken. Hey!
Can you stop and tell me what the problem is?
Do you know Ken now has a girlfriend? Do you know Ken has been cheating on me? Do you know Ken has been taking care of that girl, spending money on her? And whenever I ask him for money, he will lie that he doesn't have. Ken! Oh!
I don't believe this. But he was so in love with you.
I saw them with my two eyes, oh. I saw him and that girl. I saw them.
Please. You don't do, make you don't do they cry again. You know all these fine boys. I said that they do. They're full worry. They're full worry.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Who invited you into this conversation now? Get out. Get out!
Hey, Jacinta, you have suffered, oh. Hey, Jacinta, you have suffered, oh. Ken, wherever you are, it will never be well with you, Ken. So you have the mind to cheat on me.
Are you sure?
What's my name?
Johnny Walker.
What is my name? Johnny Walker. I am the king of the streets, king of the road, king of the campus. That's who I am. Johnny Walker. I believe you.
See, I don't believe say you go chop that girl.
You dey craze. You dey fucked up. Let me say you don't believe me.
Up till now, I still never believe am. If you see the way the girl dey always dey carry herself, the girl like say no be man dey enter there.
See, I chop her yafu. That make me call record and say, man, I need to send and give all of you now. Make una see say I eat and I chop. I lick her, lick her where.
But up till now, I still dey fear you. E be like say they use fear because I still never believe say go.
See, because of this thing wey happen, we need to drink it.
Oh, my bottle me, I need to.
Apama! Abeg, bring more 2 bottles for us, more drink, man.
Johnny, walk. Johnny, walk come in, man.
Hey. Oh boy. Abeg, help me go put this thing. Don't let you open. Give me job.
You are so useless, shameless, and a foolish girl. So of all the men in this school, it is your boyfriend's roommate you slept with. Hey, Lizzie, how can you believe such a thing? Eh? How can you believe what Ken told you? Oh, shut up! Your sex escapade with him was recorded. I saw it! I'm so ashamed of you.
Don't do it. Small.
I'm so ashamed of myself. No, you should be. You should actually be ashamed of yourself. Listen to me. Mark my words. You will one day regret when you left Ken. Mark it. Such a shameless girl.
Me. Sis. This have you do. Oh.
You will not shut up there.
Whoa. On the video did it.
Auntie, you won't believe it. You know that woman that lives behind us. That one that our daughter went to the city and came back and was only yesterday. She later came back. You know the only thing she came with? Pregnancy. She said her tummy like this.
Sis, how na dey na? Sis Mingo, Efe, how you dey? You make me feel conscious, come find me. See your head.
How was work today?
Work dey fine though. Today go well. I always say I pursue Deborah today. I pursue am because me no come know whether na work Deborah dey learn or na small boys dey follow. All the small boys for that store area. And social Deborah dey waka. Pia. I no understand the girl. I tell her make she sit down for house. I no fit for wahala.
Madam, Madam Ejiro, take it easy.
What is that one coming now? No be madam matter be this one. This one no be madam matter at all. See, make I tell you, when I dey learn work, my madam, if you come work late, so you go down, you go raise your hand like this. You go raise your hand until when she don tire for you before she go allow you enter. So now so myself, I go dey follow up all these girls. The carry belle and na me go enter wahala. What you na cook sef? Hunger one fish. Sure. Efe, una no cook. Don't show me wetin una cook. You know because of one class. I go stop.
Cynthia, what is it?
Me, I will never go for job hunting again. No. Never. Never.
Don't talk like that. Listen, I believe that one day luck will shine on you.
When? See my mother. My younger ones. Lizzie, I have responsibilities. Why is God ignoring me? Why?
No, don't say that. Don't ever talk like that.
Just leave me. Leave me alone. You're the luckiest girl I've ever seen in my whole life. Even with my closeness to you, your luck does not rub on me. Imagine you own this big house. You have a good job. Look at me. So broke. Living under your roof.
Jacinta, it's okay. Alright? let's just keep praying. I strongly believe that one day God will answer us and everything will be well. I want you to know that I do not have any problem with you staying in my house as long as. Alright? And I could lend you some money to start up any business of your choice.
No. I'm not a business person. I'm not good at that.
Anyway, it's okay. Stop crying.
I'm tired though. I'm tired.
It's okay.
I'm tired.
It's okay. Right?
Wow. So you mean Prince Mike's mother came? Lolo. Wow. I can't wait to see her. Anyways, she doesn't like you because you're from Warri. If it were to be me that is from her side, it's just one touch.
Honestly, I don't know how I allowed myself get this deep with Mike. I should have known this whole relationship thing was going nowhere.
No, come on. Don't say that. I mean, if I were you, I won't give up on Mike for any reason. So stop it.
His mother belittled me to nothing.
Well, that's the price to pay for love. So, pay it.
I feel so out of place.
Eh? Lizzie, stop it though. See, let me tell you, if you leave Mike, I'm so jumping on him. I've told you. Come on, I was just joking. I'm joking. Seriously. Cheer up, I'm just joking.
I'm so sorry for everything.
You don't have to be. I mean, it's not your fault. I want you to know something.
Something about what?
How I feel about you. You are very special to me.
You see, you're such an amazing person. Without you, I don't know where I would have been today. You've made me to experience something truly hard to find. You made my dream come true.
I love you so much. Very much. More than you can ever imagine.
My dad is ill. I need to go and see him.
Oh my goodness. What's wrong with him?
It's heart problem, but my mom said it's not too serious.
Should I come with you?
No. You have work at hand. So don't bother, okay?
Okay. But I will give you something to give to your dad. You know he's the only friend I have in that house.
Yeah, that's all you need.
So how long are you gone for?
I am not going to stay long, just a week. And I'll be back. But I'm going to miss you.
A week is too much.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
You are welcome back home.
I greet you, AJ.
Prince himself.
Yeah.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ishieze, where is the king?
Oh, he's inside resting. Now that you are here, let us go inside.
Ichie, I will come and see you.
No problem. Let's go inside. Igwe, here is your son, the heir apparent to the throne. In fact, my prince, here is your father, the king of Akama Kingdom. I want to seek for your permission for us to go home. It's all right. Ude? Igwe. My prince.
I'll come and see you.
It's okay.
My prince, you are welcome.
Dad, you look better now.
Yes, my son. I am much better now.
Better and stronger.
Seems like Mike's presence changed a lot of things.
Mike, why didn't you come with my daughter-in-law? I am sure she must have opted to come with you, but you stopped her.
See, she gave me something to give to you.
Really?
But I'll give it to you later.
Yeah. Okay.
You see, Lizzie is a nice girl. But unfortunately, you've not seen a better part of her. Mom?
Good. Now, come to think about it. Why are you imposing my only son, the prince of this kingdom, to marry an outsider? Why? And I want to tell you, it won't happen. That won't happen.
Lolo, it is not in your place to decide. After all, they love themselves. Yes, and there's nothing we can do about it.
Worry girl.
And so? Is Worry girl not a human being?
They have different culture with us. And there is no way you can impose him to marry that girl. No.
Remember your son just said that you have not seen the inside of her. So take it like that.
So, darling, what did Dad say? I can't believe this. But you know it was your idea. I wanted to follow you, you know that. Okay. Mike, I miss you already.
Yeah, I've missed you so much.
I am coming back very soon.
And that soon is tomorrow. So get ready for me because I'm going to eat you raw. I love you so much. Bye.
I love you more. Bye.
The most nicest girl on earth. Get my car ready.
Okay,
I'm leaving immediately. Nemo, I have
My
to start
son.
going.
No problem. Remember all I told you. Behave yourself. Know where you came from. A royal home. And heir apparent. Behave yourself, please.
It's okay. Igwe,
No.
Ganga.
Okay, bye.
Hey, calm down now. Calm down, please.
Sis, you don't do. It is morning now you did like this. You don't do.
Lizzie, can you just calm down? You will hurt yourself.
How do you expect me to calm down? How do I calm down when my boyfriend is nowhere to be found?
It's possible he's still in the village. I mean, you never can tell.
In the village? And he hasn't called me. His numbers are switched off. I'm so afraid to think that I had a very terrible dream.
So, what was it about?
It was so confusing. You know what? I'm going to his village. I am going to check if he's okay, and I don't care if his mother hates me or not. I am going to see him. I want to go and know how he's doing because I can't keep dying in silence. His number is not going. I don't know where he is.
In that case, I have to go with you because I can't let you go alone.
Sis, me sef, I go follow you. I go follow you at least make I even know where brother come from.
Let me hear what. Come in.
Sis, only you no go fit go now. Eh? She dey cry this morning.
Now what for you? Where you go? Now what for you? After your mother, you go.
Now what you want me to cause for inside now?
Sure.
I'm not gonna paranoid for me now. Me be bros where they lost. You see me see trouble. When I talk something, when I say you don't talk put, if I talk put again, when I say you don't do this one. Oh, Ganeme. How we want to for this bros matter now? I to go the village. I go follow now go check am. Na my in-law. Na my in-law be that. Sure. How you going this?
You have to stop crying, my daughter. You don't have to hurt yourself. We have done our best. We only pray to the gods to still do wonders. That's it.
He called me and told me he was on his way.
That is what we are saying. He left that day. But the police came back to us with his car. They said that the car was seen parked along the highway. But all efforts to locate him is abortive. Please stop.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Sure? Okay, now. I never see this kind of thing before. Sis, now brother Mike come there for inside motor for main road. Come vanish like that. Abi in our spirit.
Lizzie, can you stop these tears? You will hurt yourself. Please now.
Sis, don't do now. Don't do. You go wound yourself, oh. See, no worry. Me know say, brother Mike go come back. I know say you go come. And no cry again.
1 month. It's been 1 month. 1 month. This is just like a nightmare. It's like a nightmare. This is just a nightmare.
See, the police are already in search of him. Let's just pray that one day he will surface.
Now truth you talk. Now truth your friend talk. Make we pray. Make we pray. Not the way God no fit do. Neither make we pray. Make we carry our problem. Give Baba God. Not the way him no go fit do. Baba God. Baba God, we thank you for everything where you don't do. Baba God, we not get another person, no. Now only you I will get. We not get where to go. Now only you will get Baba God. Baba God, you see this our belly, so we won't shop. Anything we will shop Baba God, make we shop and make we belly full Baba God. If we belly full, maybe people ask us, make we for give the Baba God. Baba God, you see for this life, me dey here Baba God, I no get boyfriend. People there they find their own boyfriend Baba God. Baba God, you go carry brother Mike come back. They here, I know they carry and play Baba God. Baba God, if she not happy, I no go like her. Baba God, I beg, make you bring brother Mike come back. Sis, if I dey pray, they follow me up, sis. Sure? I be they come disappear too. Go meet brother Mike. Okay, Neme. I don't serious with God matter. Me go see pray this prayer. Me go see pray this prayer for God. Papa God, now your hand do for me. That's even I'm gonna go fit do for myself. Do it for us. Now only you will get to. Assist. Now for midnight when I come, That kind 1 o'clock for inside night. Now una take come. I no be small cinema you and sister the thing that do yesterday. Una just dey perform up and down yesterday.
What?
Ah, na small thing.
How do you mean by cinema?
No be yesterday when I come for 1 o'clock. Una dey laugh. You dey laugh, they go this side. My sister dey laugh, they go this side. One bros carry you, they come inside. Another one carry her, they come inside. That be small thing, no. Fear everybody want they catch me. Una just dey laugh, so laugh.
Are you serious?
Jesus Christ. What? I serious now? Yeah? Now what I see now talk so. Una dey perform yesterday. I don't know what I take. This one they laugh. They laugh. I say true. Which kind of laugh did this one? I want to go shop now, sister. I don't cook food. They don't make una carry. I want to shop. Later.